Hi, Joey. Are you taking a bath? Are you eating your duck? Stay in your chair, silly. Sit down and play. Are you gonna splash? Here's a fish. Ooh, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy. What is it? How's that duck taste? Splash, splash. What's going on? Your hair is a mess. It's all wet. Splashing. You're splashing. Silly Joey. Is that your face cloth? Is that a seashell? Look at this thing. Woo! What's that? And what's this guy? Turns. You're gonna put your duck up on the shelf? Good boy. No, you're gonna eat it? Okay. You gonna do anything else fun in the tub? Put your duck away. Just kidding. Is this all you do during bath time? Good job.